clutch fan on a T1N. If you got the right tool, well, if you got the right tool, you're better off than me. What I've got here is a modified BMW fan wrench. I've hacked it up with a belt sander and a disc sander up here a little bit, trying to make it fit the holes. I can send you a image of this so that you can duplicate it if you want, but I'll be honest, it doesn't work all that great. It catches on to those 4 screw heads to keep that from turning. When you get a hold of the 8mm hex key, bolt in front of it. Now here's a nice little stubby hex key so I can get at it without pulling the radiator off, but the handle's too damn short. Put a copper pipe on it. Well, the copper's too damn soft and I broke it off, so I've double sleeved it with copper here and squeezed the piss out of it to keep everything nice and tight. I can slide that in and out for a little bit of adjustable length if I need to, but I can stick this down in here. There it goes, pop, pop. All right, and we're in that center hole. And with the belt still on, get a hold of those 4 screw heads and rotate this just enough counterclockwise to break that loose. Now once that's broken loose, get under there with your breaker bar and your 17mm. We're going to get on that belt tensioner. Loosen it, pop the belt off. Going back to the top side, we just hold this tool in place, reach around under the heat shield, and spin the little pulley, the water pump pulley. Turn it clockwise, which naturally turns the bolt out counterclockwise. And I don't know how well you can see it here, but the fan is definitely backing away from the water pump. Alright, take the bolt out. H5 or a 5mm hex key.
If you like our content here at Florida Van Man, you can support us by liking, commenting, subscribing, and ringing the notification bell so that you get a notification every time we post a new video. In the description box of all of our videos, we also have links to our favorite products, as well as links so that you can get your very own Florida Van Man merch. Your support keeps our vans rolling.
Now, clutch goes back in, same way it came out. All of this needs to be on the outside where the bolt goes. So we'll go ahead and put the bolt in there first and drop it into place. Sometimes it's easier to move the elephant hose out of the way. I didn't today, and it doesn't look like I need to for any reason, because the fan got right past it. Put the long hex key down there on the bolt head. Reach under the heat shield and turn the water pump pulley the other way. Now torquing it down this way, it's hard to measure. You can't really get a torque wrench on there. If you can, good for you. I can't. All I can do is estimate. I know torque wrench pretty well, so I can give it a good feel and trust it. That probably won't work for a warranty issue on the clutch fan, so Try to torque wrench it if you can. If you can't, know you're at your own risk as far as warranty. Just get it tight enough it doesn't let go, and then we don't have to worry about warranties, huh? All right, put the guard back in place as best it'll go. Any clips over here if you got them. And now we got to put the belt back on. In my usual fashion, I didn't take a before picture or video, but as soon as you touch the fan with a piece of paper, it would stop spinning. And let go of it, it would start spinning, but not very aggressively. It was pretty much just freewheeling on there. New clutch is grabbing tight. Hi, Mike.